In this tutorial, I'm going to show you two powerful workflows in Autodesk Fusion that will save you tons of time when selecting edges. Stick around for both examples because the second method might just be your new favorite. Let's dive right in. First, navigate to the Select option in the top right corner of your Fusion toolbar. Open the drop-down menu and explore the selection filters. As you hover over each option, you'll notice the descriptions disappear, so keep an eye on the options as you move through them. To quickly select all the edges in your design, simply uncheck the Select All option and then check the box labeled Body Edges. Just like that, with one action, you've selected all the edges in your model. Now, let's explore another method that might suit your workflow even better. Head back to the Select menu, but this time, focus on the Selection Priority feature. Activate it, and then go ahead and select your edges. You'll notice a small checkbox indicating that this setting is active, which is a handy reminder. When you're done, don't forget to deactivate it so you can return to the normal selection mode. If this tutorial helped streamline your Fusion experience, don't miss out on our playlist packed with more tips and tricks to enhance your workflow. Happy designing!